Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the dance, I Don't Mind Goodbyes. The song is Don't Do You Mind. The artist is VEDO featuring Chris Brown. The choreography is Chantel Williams, aka Lockstep. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you like this dance and you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, watch till the end and I'll post it at the end. And here we go.
VEDO, baby. Shawty wanna do me. Yeah. Told me set the camera up, she wanna make a movie. Oh, I can tell it's juicy, yeah. Now I'm on the liquor when I'm feeling on the booty, yeah. Oh no, I wanna show you some things for your eyes only. Oh yeah, yeah. I know this just don't really came on it, but I the freak. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Better play nice. Bottle popping to the daylight. I put you on if it feels right. Let's keep it going till there's no miles, yeah. Do you mind if I come through? Mind if I touch you? Mind if I feel friend too? Open up, roll it up, we can smoke too. Do you mind? Put it in my face, do you mind? Make you clap out, don't let do you mind? On the west side, the best side, you know it's only good vibes. Do you mind? Do you mind, girl? Do you mind? Will you let me do you right? Can I have a night? Don't make me anxious twice. I like what I like, but not the type that's gonna be stalking you. Oh, I know I'm a player, but I wait up, shoot my shot, and then I follow you. Yeah. You so good. I wanna give my heart to you with it. Suppose and I call to you. I'm so good. Bigger than I talk to. Hit it, now you walk different. Do you mind if I come through? Mind if I touch you? Mind if I feel friend too? If I do, roll it up, we can smoke too. Do you mind? Put it in my face, do you mind? Make you tap out, don't play, do you mind? On the west side, the best side, you know it's only good vibes, do you mind?
And there you go. I Don't Mind Good Vibes. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.